Okay. Okay. Game 4 of Division 5. 2-1 ang atong standing. Team Cebu City wins 2 games. And Team Mandawi has won only 1 game. Okay, thank you so much to our sponsor who made this bakbakan possible. No other than our beloved Barangay Captain of Barangay Pusok, Cap Honorable Rani Imperio. Thank you so much, sir. Together with our organizer, Boss Manny Lumongo, and to our promoter, Boss Atan Bahilot. Okay. Atong score, equally 0 pa. Out ball. Both teams has not yet scored. Wala pa i-score. Ball position for Team Cebu City. Here comes Mr. Explosive Jobert Marcinas. Apon to Jobert. Apon. Yay kadiha. Apon goes 1-on-1 with Jobert Marcinas. PG Kaban. Super Mario attack ni Kulapo. Yay ka! Kabang Tawason Eagles sky high. Wa madutler Team Cebu City. Ay ka niya. Linaw na. Point scored for Team Cebu City. 1-0 sa atong game 4. Team Cebu City. 1-0 na taas sa atong game 4 ha. Atong standing 2-1. Duhay daog sa Team Cebu City, usay daog sa Team Mandawi. Best of 3. Kinsay ba ka katuluan ni champion na. Mudawat og 5 mil ang champion, 3-5 ang loser. Reggie, kabuhag panagang sa atake. Team Cebu City. Tuara. Is on the offensive. Net bag. Pukot ang pula ni Kulapo. Ono 0. Hapon serving para Igualis. Hapon again striking. Hapon asabit bang counter attack ni Jomel Docante is good. 1-0. Igualis ono na atong game 4. Igualis ono. Netbag. Ball position for Team Cebu City. Team Mandawi looking to avenge their loss sa game 3. Jason, again, nargit na. Jobert, Saudi Hapon. Jobert again. Tuara, Sanggali Joel. Hapon, 360 shot. Ayan, gibundag ni Kulapo. Tuara, gidugdog, gidagdag, gidikdik. Team Cebu City is on the offensive. Out ball. Bola sa Team Mandawi. Igualis ono ato skor ha, Igualis ono. Servisyo Reggie. Jobert to Jubel. Yay ka. Hapon looking for an open space. Jobert misses the shot. Point scored by Team Mandawi. 2-1. Here comes Reggie Caban, the silent assassin. Reggie, overhead shot. Wow! Ang galing! 3-1 na. Team Mandawi has the lead. 2 puntos ang kalamangan. Servisyo Reggie. Tora Kulapo. Ay, agan Jumil. Bang! Jobert. Ay, gipadpad na sa pun. Ay, Hapon again. Reset ang depensa sa Team Mandawi. Nagkuha na kita kakasumit, kuha ba? Out ball. I-score for Team Mandawi. 4. Ilan na? 4-1. Service Origi para 5. Point 5. Ono na. 4 na puntos ang lamang. 4-point lead in favor of Team Mandawi. Game 4 of Division 5. Ito na naman si The Silent Assassin para 6. Jobert Tuhapon. Lagi kamang kanay. Di aras Picasso. Away from home. Reggie Kaban. Away Reggie. Ninduta tato pagkatira ni mo Reggie. Pero out G. Out. Okay. Final decision. Out. Out ball. Jobert on the attack. Within striking distance. Sumablay ba si Idol Jobert? Okay. Bola sa Team Mandawi. Servisyo. Jobel. Point. Size. Ono. Chin score. O gusto mong mga lamian na putahe, drop by mo sa kanana ni Maria diha sa Kansohong, Talisay City along SRP Road. Naa diha ang lamian nga Potsiro, Balbacoa, Humba o Bami o naa sa diha ang Karkar Lechon. Check out lang ninyo ang ilang mga menu, ang ilang menu diha para sa inyong paborito na sudan. City na City 1, Tambak 8-1. Ano 8-1 na. Nanlamig ang depensa sa Team Cebu City. Service Jubel. Jobert hard shot. 2-shot combination. Sumablay. 9-1 na, 9-1. Last 3 na Team Mandawi. Kung mudaw kang Team Mandawi yan we had a tiebreaker ang game 5 kay 2-2 atong standing. Okay, ball position for Team Cebu City. Ono 9 ato score, ono 9. Here comes Mr. Explosive. Jobert Barcinas para Anus. Kulapo to the rescue. Kulapo again. Super Mario attack. Unsuccessful si Kulapo is the voice. Is side out. Service upon. Yay ka. Jubil Lucante firing. Ay ka. Iwi Astira Kulapo is the best. I-score. Jeez. Ono. Last 2 na. Ang Team Mandawi. Okay, service open. White taong payag. I-score. 11-1. Triple 1 atong score. Okay, for the win. Ang Team Mandawi on this game 4. Servisyo. Umunaw kang Team Mandawi ano na tayo decision game. Okay, game 5. Ato decision game. Toto atong standing. Coming up.